everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace Osage, participant of MMM Guidance School, batch 9AS. I want to speak about how much MMM has impacted me, how I have learned a lot in MMM, how to use a lot of Google applications I never think I could use, like my Google spreadsheet, the Google Docs, the Google Slide, the cinematics, and I was able to use my PowerPoint, and I learned a lot from MMM. I made a lot of friends in the MMM guidance school. I was able to refresh my memory of how MMM works, the ideology of MMM. I learned about the rules and regulation of MMM, whether or not MMM is legal. I learned how MMM came about when it started, and I also learned more about Sage Mavodi. I made a lot of friends. I went through the business school, the business game, sorry, and alongside with other participants. My sincere gratitude go to mentor. My sincere gratitude to my mentor, Mr. Francis of Batch 9AS, and also to Sage Mavodi for creating MMM to end the poverty in the world today. I'm so grateful, and I want to tell you that MMM is back and alive. MMM works, MMM pays, MMM is real. So if you are not a participant of MMM, I encourage you to go and register for MMM. If you are in Nigeria, you should go to the MMM website, nigerian-mmm.net. Register, and you should register. Before you register, you read about the risk of MMM and how MMM works, and how also you should invite more members to MMM. Thank you.